first of all, I have to tell you that I'm passionate about thin wall die casting. I believe at the present time, this is the single most influential research and development project that die casting can undertake. Our customers are clamoring for it. The vehicle industry, as you know, has been very conscious about the benefits of weight savings. The new terms in the automotive industry is lightweighting, and the benefits range from improved fuel economy that they're demanded to get by the government to increased payload. So all kind of vehicles benefit from this. The die castings have traditionally provided an advantage in weight reduction. Our ability to combine components has been great and allowed us to move into new markets, but process limitations have prevented us from entering those applications where real thin wall sections are required. These applications extend beyond automotive to telecommunications, consumer and military electronics, aerospace, off-road vehicles, and military weapon systems. And from a process standpoint, there's so much to be learned. The development of techniques to meet the thin wall applications will yield a much better understanding of the die cast process. Back in the 1970s, the zinc die casting was feeling a very competitive pressure from injection molded plastics, and significant research and development projects were undertaken to learn to cast zinc products with very thin wall sections. The process developments were far-reaching and provided the basis for the dynamic analysis of the machines as we know them today, and also for the gate and runner designs that were used in all alloy systems. So this provided benefits not only for zinc die castings, but for all the systems that we use today, aluminum and magnesium as well. Material properties are enhanced with thin walls, and utilizations of the die casting process, the rapid solidification which occurs at the alloy die interface, produces a very fine grain structure with properties exceeding other casting processes. We're seldom able to take advantage of these processes since our castings are not homogeneous throughout the wall section. Thin wall applications allow us and our customers to take full advantage of these properties. Alloy development specifically for thin wall application will provide an opportunity to take full advantage of both the material properties and the die casting process. You know, we've always had the best numbers when it comes to mechanical properties. However, we can't really produce castings that do that. With thin walls, we will be able to do that. In conclusion, this research provides a great opportunity for both the consumer and the caster to take advantage of the die cast process. The fact that die casting has atomized flow, non-directional solidification, and rapid chill at the die interface make thin wall applications a natural fit. The benefits of thin wall aluminum and magnesium casting capability are both commercial and technical. Commercial opportunities will benefit from a much broader range of casting applications. Thin wall aluminum castings will compete with both stamped aluminum and steel components, as well as polymer-based components. In many cases, cast parts will be able to compete with plastic parts on a weight basis. The technical benefits learned from this research will reach far beyond the ability to cast thin wall parts. It improves the fundamental understanding of the die cast process. Many of the lessons learned will be applicable to conventional castings as well. In addition, we will be able to extend our ability to tailor alloys and alloy systems for castability as well as mechanical properties. So in all, we benefit both the consumer from commercial opportunities and then also in our ability to improve the mechanical and technical opportunities that this thin wall research will yield for us. Well, Blue Ridge has built its business on providing engineered solutions for niche die-cast projects. We are a small producer. Anytime the die-cast technology advances, opportunities avail themselves to us. As the thin wall technology develops, the large automotive projects will be handled by the integrated automotive suppliers, no doubt. However, many applications where the customer will be forced to search for suppliers who embrace the technology and are willing to expend a disproportionate amount of engineering work to provide a solution will avail themselves to those of us who want the opportunity. The fundamental understanding that we gain from the work will reach over to other programs and conventional die-cast components as well. The knowledge we gain will provide solutions where we now struggle. We attempt to sell engineered solutions as opposed to commodity castings, and programs such as this provide the opportunity to improve our understanding of the fundamentals of the die-cast process and take that advantage to our customers.
NADCA video news and information is brought to you by the following sponsors.